We'll just lower ourselves gently, like a... Come on! Swing! 100-foot drop and not a strand out of place? Ooh, I love that hairspray! Go big! Not bad. I'll have this up and running again in no time.
Unless no time means right now, we need new transpo.
Yeah, the LMFF committee meeting starts in 4 minutes, and party planning waits for no girl. Tiny power!
Pointless! I'm never going to win this election. And if I'm not mayor, I can't make it a law that Polly Pocket must give me her locket.
Oh, it's not pointless. I thought the campaign rally was great.
You were the only one there.
I'm Bonnie Bane's #1 fan. Make it rain for Bane.
Oh, the paper says I'm down 40 points. Old Mayor BB Kisser will have it all wrapped up.
You know who's really good at getting people to like her and vote for her? Polly Pocket. She got everyone at school to vote her the head of the dance committee. I even voted for her.
Oh, what am I supposed to do? Get that annoying little go-getter Polly Pocket to campaign for me?
If you want your star badge, you have to know the constellations. Those stars represent the zodiac symbol of the crab.
That looks nothing like a crab. Ugh, constellations don't make any sense.
Imagine them as diamonds in the sky.
Diamonds? Ooh, I'm so good at this game. What cat and how many carrots?
Good thing there's not a Teach Lila badge, because neither of us would get one. Oh, hey! Lila, you were laying on a perfectly round rock. This is the last thing I need to make the Pearl Damsel appear. Oh, Tori is going to be so impressed.
Where's Polly?
The Pearl Damsel! Ghosts are real!
Polly!
It's rendezvous time. Just as soon as I figure out where you are.
She's gaining on us! Run! Run like everything's half off at the Littleton Mall! The ghost has traps? Is she going to eat us?
I hope not. The scarf is hand-stitched from the finest Yarbarian yak wool.
Don't worry, I know how to get us out. Tiny power!
Ooh, the thread count on this netting is stupendous.
Ha-ha! Mission accomplished, Gigi.
Gwen? Ha! I knew ghosts weren't real.
Too bad nasties who want to steal your locket and use it to shrink everyone in Littleton are.
Ha 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 ha! I've got you now, Polly Pocket!
Hey! Let me go!
is. You might be little, but your teeth are still sharp. Bye-bye, little pocket.
Thanks for helping me, Polly. Love the jungle couture.
Go big bunny!
Make every day count for sure. Try more than you did
Before, the world's a stage and you're a star. Shine and show how bright you are!
That was great, Polly. Your dance was so funny.
It almost looked like you really didn't know what you were doing.
Yeah, I went with a method approach.
Looks like someone needs to call it a night.
But it's not even dark yet. Uh-oh, to-do alert. See, I need to study.
You can study over the weekend.
But my weekend's already mega super booked. Can't I just go to Peanut's pit stop with Shani and Lila and study with them a little? Please? Is the game almost over? We really need to study. Tiny power! Get it!
The moose is loose and the chase is on. Come on, Gwenny.
It's a good old-fashioned wild moose chase. Girls, you follow the locket, I'll catch up.
I usually have a strict no moose chasing policy. Maybe we should try a moose call. What did you just say to it?
I think I said hello.
Or maybe I insulted its mother.
Hey, girls!
Polly!
Stick with him. I'll cut him off. Come to Polly. Or run away from Polly. Come on, this way. This whole thing was a mistake.
Let's go, Gwen. Chop, chop. I've been brushing up on my tracking skills to help me get that locket. In case my GPS fails, phone fails, you are sick, and I don't accidentally bump into Polly around town. Now I can track that moose in my sleep.
But you're not sleeping, Gigi.
Okay, Shani?
Rocco.
My hero!
Right on sketch for Ultimate Selfie.
Meeting your hero's gonna be great, right? Go big!
Okay. I'm your biggest fan, Rocco. No. I'm your biggest fan, Captain. Captain Rocco. I mean, Captain, my captain. Chill, Shans. You look great.
You've got this. Just tell her you admire her bravery, leadership, piloting skills, and disappearing maneuvers. Where did she go?
Excuse me, I'm scheduled to take a selfie with Captain Rocco. I know I'm a little early, 39 seconds early to be exact, but this is the most important selfie of my life.
Thank you for sharing that very interesting story.
What she means is, where's Rocco?
Guess she took a break.
Now? For how long?
No clue. She wasn't scheduled to break for another, hour.
Don't worry, Shani. She'll be back soon. It doesn't make sense. Captain Rocco always operates according to a very precise schedule.
No wonder she's your idol. I meant that as a compliment. Kinda.
That's not what I'm gasping about. Look! Captain Rocco's costume was ripped. Signs of a struggle. Do you think someone kidnapped her? I don't know, but we won't be sure until we find her.
Totally. Right after we enter the costume contest.
Lila, this is my hero we're talking about. The sooner we find Rocco, the sooner we enter the contest. She couldn't have gone far in this crowd. We just need a bird's eye view.
Oh, My Girls Comics! Rare Drones of Destruction Extended Universe issues!
Ditch the books, Gwen. I'm only here to buy miniatures for my collection. And of course, to look for Polly Pocket.
They told you everything was waiting for you. They told you everything was set in stone. But now you're feeling like a different